Good morning, students. This is Sundaradhan from NK School. Yesterday we discussed about the topic of Satyagraha launched by Mahatma Gandhi. First Satyagraha launched by Mahatma Gandhi in 1916 at Bihar, Champaran, for the indigo farmers. Second Satyagraha launched by the Mahatma Gandhi in Kheda, Gujarat, for the farmers. And third Satyagraha launched by the Mahatma Gandhi in Ahmedabad, Gujarat, for the mill worker. Next, Mahatma Gandhi want to raise the nationalist Satyagraha movement for the Indians. But before they started, British government passed an AMS Act, Road Act, is known as the Black Act by Indians. It passed by the British government in 21st March 1919. This act, British government has enormous power to capture the Indian political leader without any reason. They capture the imprisonment of Indian political leader without any reason for 2 years. Indian people opposed it because this act was enormous power given to the British government. That's why Indian people opposed it and named it the Black Act. It is not good act for the Britisher, for the Indians. This act is carried for the Jallianwala Bagh massacre. Because during this act, Britishers captured the Punjab's two political leaders. Hold on with you. Dr. Saifuddin Kichlu, Sardar Bhushan Singh. These two famous leaders of the Punjab and British government captured these two leaders. That's why a peacefully assembled in Jallianwala Bagh. Peaceful assembled people in Jallianwala Bagh in 13th of April 1919. That day was Baisakhi Day. Baisakhi is the famous festival of the Punjab, and then British General Dyer came there with their troops, and they fired on the innocent people of the gathered here near Jallianwala Bagh, and thousands of people killed and wounded. That's why all over the world criticized the General Dyer's Act. Hold on the video. Khilafat movement launched by two Muslim brothers named Shaukat Ali and Muhammad Ali. 1919 1919 ईस्वी के अंदर जो है खिलाफत मूवमेंट जो था वो चलाया गया था शौकत अली और मोहम्मद अली के द्वारा बीच में इन्होंने चलाया था। क्यों चलाया था? व्हाट इज द रीजन बिहाइंड दिस? दिस इज द रीजन दैट ड्यूरिंग द फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड वॉर 1914 to 1918, during the first world war 1914 to 1918, there are the two major powers of the world fought with each other. One is the Alliance power, second one is the Allied power. Allied power. Alliance power include the France, England, and Russia. And Allied power include Germany, Hungary, and Turkey. These two groups. Allied power later on joined by the America in 1917. During this war, Britishers government want to help from the Indian, because India is the colonial period of the British government. That's why they want to help from the Congress and from the Muslim League, because in India these are the two major political parties, Congress and the Muslim League. Congress want to take a promise from the Britishers after winning the war. They will give the full independence, and Muslims also want to do the same, full independence. But also Muslims want to promise that British government didn't harm, they will not harm to the Khalifa of the Turkey, because the Khalifa of Turkey is the religious god of the Muslim community of all over the world. But British government broke this promise, and after winning the war, they give the death of the Khalifa of the Muslim, of the religious god of the Muslim community. This act angry the Indian Muslim League and all the Muslims of the world. So Indian Muslim two brothers Muhammad Ali and Shaukat Ali launched the Khilafat movement. And when Mahatma Gandhi saw this, that only Muslim League participated in the Khilafat movement, they want to help and support the Khilafat movement. They also launched the non-cooperation movement. Non-cooperation movement in 1920. Non-cooperation movement launched. The main purpose of the Mahatma Gandhi to support the Khilafat movement and also the unity of Hindu and Muslim. These two movements spread all over the India, all over the India, and now it feels like that India gets freedom soon, but an incident occurred in the Chora Chori. Chori Chora in 1922. This is a violence incident that Mahatma Gandhi withdraw the movement of non-cooperation movement during the incident of Chora Chori. What is the incident? This incident is when the crowd passed from estate some policemen fired upon the crowd and crowd take a violent action and they killed 22 policemen and fired the police station. Mahatma Gandhi was very disappointed from this act. That's why they want to withdraw the movement of non-cooperation. Thank you.